Woo! What's up, guys? It is KAGO here, and we're gonna play some
Roblox. Roblox too. Some Jeffy.
Roblox. I got you. All right, so I don't. Oh. Hello? Hello? Alright, so let's get to playing this game. Wait, so I'm gonna play some strucide.
Yeah, that's the ugly game because my brother is so
don't
ugly.
listen to him. Okay,
My brother is
no
ugly.
one wants to hear you. Good, thank you.
These nuts?
Alright,
What's up?
this person. Yes.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Right.
Alright.
Okay, chill.
Chill.
Okay. Just stop.
What's that word?
Bullying me. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Nobody wants to see your ugly face, but here you go. Here. This
I
is.
can change.
Stop. Look. This is my brother's ugly face. See, look at that ugly ass dance. Stop. You're gonna have a seizure.
Yeah.
Why? Funny. See me, I'm such a noob, but I don't give a damn. I still play because I am not a quitter, unlike you. So yeah, let's play.
Boom.
Stop! I'll beat you.
Boom.
I'll beat you up. I'll beat you
Boom.
up. Okay, let's go. Start this game. Yeah, so I gotta kill anybody I see. Oh shoot, oh shoot, Curdy. Oh, oof, I'm gonna get trolled. Wow.
It's a noob.
I am... Bro. Don't you see I am mad right now? You see?
Did you see?
Wow.
Wow.
I'm getting triggered!
Alright, Georgia.
No, I don't want this. Oh.
No, I don't want this. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, let's just get on with it.
Yeah.
Again. Come on, buddy. It's me. Come on, buddy, old pal. Come on, buddy. Oh, that was a glitch. Oof. Come on, buddy, old pal. Come on, buddy. You know who I am. Come on, buddy. Come on.
He's a noob. Yeah, he's a noob. Ah!
Woo, I am not getting triggered. Stop! Get out of the game. Okay.
Some
Just
diaper,
cry
look.
for a little
Some
bit.
diaper. I got some diaper.
Okay,
Hey,
guys.
shut up.
Okay, let's try. Come on. Wow, I don't care about low PC. Right? Alright, let's go.
So bye.
But not yet.
So bye.
It's not
So
yet.
So bye.
Oh my god, I will smack you. Like you
So
smacked
bye.
that movie.
So,
Okay, dude, this is not your video. Stop. I'm
so
gonna make
you,
a. I'm
if
gonna
you
make.
watch me again.
I will make a YouTube video when you're ready. On your YouTube channel.
So,
Oh wait. Oh,
so,
shh.
you can look.
Shh. This might be my kill. Oh no, this is. Oh crap. Oh Jesus, baby. Oh, Jesus, a baby. Oh, that's that dude that keeps on killing.
Cry.
Subscribe, new, leave a like, and make sure to share this channel with other people so we can reach.
So bye. Bye. Look, I got some diaper.
Alright, guys. So,
Hey, he killed me.
stop. Okay, guys.
He killed me. With the I died.
Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video.
Yeah.
Peace.